How to log in WordPress account. So if you want to log in to WordPress account, then first of all open up a browser, go for the search bar and search for WordPress, and then click on the first search, which is www.wordpress.com, and now it will take you to the web page. So if you want to log into your account, then you can go for a login, which is on the upper right. Now to log into your account, first you need to enter your email address. But if you have created your account using your Google or your Apple or through an app, then you can continue with all of these. But I have created with my email account, so I'll be entering my email address, or you can also enter your username and then click on continue. And then on the next blank, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have lost your password option. Click on that and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your WordPress account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.